waiting for your name, but silence filled the air and it never came. Every buzz, every chime made my heart ache, hoping you'd call, but it was my mistake. I counted the minutes, each one felt like years. Every second of waiting fed my fears. The hours slipped by like shadows on the wall, and in the quiet I felt so small. The words I needed were left unsaid. A heavy silence hung in my head. When the phone didn't ring, I felt the sting of a love that was fading, losing everything. The empty sound was loud and clear, telling me the truth I didn't want to hear. When the phone didn't ring, I learned to see that sometimes silence sets you free. I wrote on messages I never sent, hoping you feel the love I meant. The screen stayed dark, no light to show, and with every minute I had to let go. I played every word we said in my mind, trying to find where I crossed the line. I held on tight to a fragile thread, but your silence told me what you left unsaid. No excuses, no reasons why, just the echo of a quiet goodbye. When the phone didn't ring, I felt the sting of a love that was fading, losing everything. The empty sound was loud and clear, telling me the truth I didn't want to hear. When the phone didn't ring, I learned to see that sometimes silence sets you free. The hardest part wasn't losing you, it was losing the hope I thought was true. I kept holding on to what could have been, but the silence whispered, this is the end. I screamed at the sky, begged for a sign, but all I got was the quiet decline. And in that stillness I found my soul, piecing together what the silence stole. The love I needed was never in you, it was in my heart waiting to break through. Oh, when the phone didn't ring, I stood alone, found the strength to call my heart my own. The quiet taught me to let it be, and in the stillness I set myself free. When the phone didn't ring, I heard the sound of my own heart rising from the ground. I don't wait for the lines to light, I've learned to find peace in the dead of night. The silence I feared is now my friend, it taught me beginnings come after the end. I'm no longer chasing the voice of the past, I found a love that's meant to last. When the phone didn't ring, I found my way, no longer bound by what you couldn't say. The quiet became my saving grace, I found myself in that empty space. When the phone didn't ring, I let you go, and in the silence my strength began to grow. Now the phone doesn't haunt me anymore, I'm not waiting for love to knock on my door. The silence isn't lonely, it's where I belong. When the phone didn't ring, I grew strong. No more tears, no endless sting, I found myself when the phone didn't ring to grow. Now the phone doesn't haunt me anymore, I'm not waiting for love to knock on my door. The silence isn't lonely, it's where I belong. When the phone didn't ring, I grew strong. No more tears, no endless sting, I found myself when the phone didn't ring.